Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Netflix movies to videos on PC. First, you need to download the latest version of the Netflix app on your laptop. The Netflix app is available as a free download from the Microsoft Store, which is easily accessible from any Windows 10 or 11 laptop. Now, select Start and enter Microsoft Store. Select it to open the app. If Microsoft Store won't launch, get more info and Microsoft Store does not launch. Launch the Netflix app on your laptop, log in your account, and click the menu icon on the top left corner. Scroll down to Available for download. Browse and tap the movie or TV show you'd like to download, or click the search icon on the top right corner to manually search for movies and TV shows. Then click the download icon. Once the download is complete, click the menu icon again and select My Downloads. Now, you can see your downloaded movie or TV show. Click one title to begin playback. Keep in mind that not all titles are available for download. Click on any TV show or movie and look for the downloads icon to see whether it can be downloaded. Or click on Available for download to filter by what is available for download. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.